home. Colorful little lambs come out and play, jumping in the field all through the day. Pink lamb twirls with a flower crown, dancing circles up and down. Laughing loud, she kicks the air, spreading petals everywhere. Blue lamb runs through poppy land, waving with her tiny hand, chasing butterflies with glee, happy as a lamb can be. Yellow lamb wears shiny shoes, taps her feet to lively blues. Clap, clap, hop and spin, watch her dance and watch her grin. Green lamb rolls down grassy hills, spinning fast, she can't sit still. Leaves fly high, the breeze is sweet, tumbling fun with woolly feet. White lamb builds a daisy ring, humming soft, a lullaby sing. Bugs and bees come gather near, listening close with happy cheer. Pink and blue both play a game, tagging fast, they laugh the same. Soon they go, then freeze in place, giggles echo every space. Green lamb hides behind a tree, ready or not, come look for me. Yellow peeks and calls out loud, I see your tail behind that cloud. White lamb jumps on hay so high, trying to reach the open sky. Soft clouds wave and float above, sending down their woolly love. Blue lamb paints the fence so bright, with rainbow dots of sheer delight. Pink lamb adds a sunshine face, filling joy in every space. Yellow lamb flies a kite so wide, swirling ribbons side to side. Up it soars into the blue, cheered by lambs in every hue. Green lamb splashes in a pond, making waves and splashing fun. White lamb joins with happy bleat, cooling off her woolly feet. Lambs now form a circle tight, spinning round in warm daylight. Holding hooves they skip and sway, singing songs of joy today. A butterfly lands on yellow snow, she freezes still in a funny pose. All the lambs giggle and cheer, nature's friends are always near. Sun dips low, the sky turns red, time to rest, the birdies said. Lambs now yawn and hug the air, peaceful dreams beyond compare. They cuddle close in golden hay, smile soft at end of day. Stars peek out with twinkling light, good night lamb, sweet dreams.